Hi, I'm ritfit, and today I'm going to destroy a waterfall because he sucks. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I destroy a waterfall. He's a stupid waterfall. Ba ba ba. Oh no, it's Uncle Croggin. Ritfit, what did you do? Why destroy a waterfall? Just matter of fact, I didn't destroy a waterfall. Ritfit, how dare you destroy a waterfall? That's it. Let's go home right now. Ritfit, how dare you destroy a waterfall? You know destroy a waterfall, that is dangerous. Now she need to get much effect in the voice. He's just helps destroy a waterfall thanks to you. You are very lucky if you are not else gonna for prison. That's it. You are grounded for till anyone else it is over. Go to your room now and learn to yourself, or else I will send a few and Stein. Wow.